Alright, I'm going to demonstrate the Commodore 128. This particular unit has no known flaws. It's in outstanding physical condition, and as far as I know, it works perfectly. I'm going to start it up in the 40 column 128 mode first so you can see that that works. Boy, did I speak too soon. If you hear that noise, it sounds like there are some issues with the sound on it. Okay. Huh. Maybe it'll settle down as it warms up. Or not. I guess we'll see. Okay, I'm going to put it into 64 mode. Alright, so it's now in 64 mode, and still doing the same thing with the noise. But we'll load up Radon Bungling Bay and see what the noise level is versus the sound that's made during gameplay. Maybe this isn't as bad as it sounds. Well, you can hear the relative sound level of the game versus this background noise is pretty high. So I don't think this will be that big an issue if you're playing games or something like that. If you're just sitting there with the unit kind of idle when you're not playing a game or something, you know, the obvious fix for this is turn the volume knob down and you won't hear it. But it is a flaw, so I'm glad it came out during the test here. So this is loading off of a real first generation 1541 floppy drive, and they were notoriously slow, so I'm going to speed up the next part of this video so you don't have to sit here and watch this thing load for however long it's going to take. Alright, here we are, Radon Bungling Bay. So, you're basically a helicopter on an aircraft carrier, and you fly around and destroy factories. So, ships shoot at you and you shoot at ships. And as you can hear, or rather can't hear, that annoying background noise isn't nearly as prevalent when you're actually doing something that involves sound. So how much of an issue it really is, I don't know. It's kind of subjective, but unfortunately, problems with the SID chip, which is the sound chip on these Commodore 128s, are not uncommon. So gameplay works fine. It's very responsive. I don't see any issues with the graphics. There's that one minor issue with the kind of static noise with the sound when it's idle, which is definitely irritating, but I don't know that it's a huge problem because, like I said, when you're actually playing a game, it's not noticeable at all. Like I can't hear it at all right now. It's probably still doing it, but it's just drowned out by the other sound effects. So I think you got the idea. Overall, I'd say this is a machine in very good shape and has no flaws at all aside from that mild static with the sound chip. But the sound chip itself seems to be functioning properly. I didn't notice any problems with the sound effects, so that's good. So that's that. Thanks.